Top 5 Best Frying Pan Titanium and Splash Guard. Number 5. Properties and resistance to scratches are a game changer for both amateur and professional chefs. Coupled with a splash guard, they provide an extra layer of convenience by preventing splatters, ensuring a cleaner cooking environment. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. Cook in-home nonstick frying pan with titanium coating. This frying pan features a high-quality titanium-infused ceramic nonstick coating, which ensures food doesn't stick, making cooking and cleaning easier. It comes with an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and even heat distribution. The splash guard keeps your kitchen clean while frying, making it perfect for daily use. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 3. With titanium, the Green Pan Paris Pro Frying Pan offers a durable, easy-to-clean surface for all types of cooking. Its splash guard ensures that oil splatters are minimized while you prepare your favorite dishes. This pan is also oven-safe and perfect for low-fat cooking. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. T-fal Stainless Steel Splatter Screen. The T-fal Stainless Steel Splatter Screen is made with high-quality stainless steel mesh and is designed to prevent hot oil splashes from making a mess in the kitchen. Its large diameter offers ample coverage for large pans. The ergonomic handle features a soft touch design for comfort, and the screen is dishwasher safe. Best for large frying pans and easy handling. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard. The Zule Kitchen Splatter Guard is a great budget-friendly option made from premium stainless steel mesh. It offers excellent protection against hot oil and grease splatter, helping keep your stovetop clean. The silicone-covered handle ensures a safe, non-slip grip and is designed to fit most frying pans. It's also dishwasher safe for convenience. Best for budget-conscious consumers without compromising on quality. Check latest price. Visit the description link.